Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you could use OpenClaw and Prism together to post AI UGC content for your brand. We're going to be doing this through an OpenClaw skill. OpenClaw skills are basically self-contained automations that exist as a skill.md file, and that basically tells OpenClaw like what the automation does, what inputs it requires, and what outputs it will give. I wrote up the skill here. I will share this with you at the end of the video. But at a very high level, what this does is it uses AI to generate some sort of like caption and voiceover script, and then it uses 11 Labs to generate the voiceover for that, and then it puts that into Prism using one of the Prism's templates. This is all done through API, and you have some avatar image and then the voiceover script, and then it'll put it together into a UGC video. Optionally, you could add background music, and then optionally, you could also use an API to upload it directly into Instagram or TikTok. So what I'm going to do now is like just paste this entire video into this skill.md file into my OpenClaw. So I'm going to ask it to create a new skill. Cool. So it seems like it's set up the skill properly, and now it's asking me to give it some avatar URLs. So these are the rotation of avatars you're going to be using for your brand. I generated them inside of Prism using Banana 2. You could just quickly grab the share button here. It'll just copy the link, and then I'll just tell it to use these URLs. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick. Cool. And then it's also asking for the umbrella info. So this is just like the topic that it's going to be talking about. In your case, you're probably going to add in like some brand info, like link it to the website or something. Here, we're just going to like say like the umbrella info is nutrition and health. Cool. Now that we added the avatar URLs and the umbrella topic, we want to give it an 11 Labs voice ID. So I really like George. So I'm going to just grab the George voice ID from 11 Labs, and then I'm going to tell it to use that voice ID. We also want to post automatically, so use buffer to post videos, and then we want to tell it that all the env bars are set for API keys. If you're doing this on Hostinger, one thing you could do is go to the config and settings, go to environment, and then add the vars here. So I have buffer token, the 11 Labs token, and the Prism API key. Cool. After we run this, after we give this, it should be ready to run. So just tell it to run. You can periodically check on the status of the process by just clicking the refresh button. You can see like where it's at right now. In the process right now, it's at the Prism generating step. So that means that you should be able to see a generating video. Cool. So yeah, we see like the video is in our Prism dashboard that is being generated. So now we just need to wait for it to finish. Cool. After around 20 minutes, it seems like it's done. If we go into buffer, you'll see that it uploaded the video and it scheduled it to be posted at 5:13. The video has the voiceover script with the avatar. It has the captions built in. It even has background music.
I almost deleted this because it felt too simple.
The voice of the character is in sync with the actual face movements. So yeah, you could scale this and like essentially autonomously post these sort of videos over and over again every day, and have it just keep pushing your brand and organically grow traffic for your brand. Thank you.